Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring. And we are gonna have some fun today. The first sandwich we're gonna put together is an all-time classic, a cucumber tea sandwich. So for this sandwich, we're gonna use very minimal ingredients. We're gonna whip those together. And this sandwich, we're gonna use white bread. So all of you people out there that are gonna freak out on me for white flour, I use Sara Lee Delightful bread on these. So its first flour is whole wheat flour, accompanied with a little light flour to keep it soft, but this is a high fiber white bread. You can see here how we don't use very many ingredients for this at all. That's what makes these so wonderful. We have a third fat, less cream cheese, some canola mayonnaise, or you can use any mayonnaise of your choice, a little bit of garlic powder, salt and pepper, and fresh dill. It's best if you can have your cream cheese just almost to room temperature so it's nice and soft. So again, this is the Sara Lee Delightful white bread. High fiber, low calories. It's a great firm bread. This is great for these sandwiches. We're going to cut off all of the crusts. Set those aside. You can use those to make breadcrumbs later. And your cucumber, I like to use the English cucumber because the skin isn't bitter at all. Slice that nice and thin. It's super soft and smooth, and so we can spread it over both sides of your bread. And it just is so, that fresh dill, the fresh herbs in this really make these sandwiches. We're gonna line this with our little cucumber coins. Looks so cute all put together. And now we're gonna cut this into traditional style high tea sandwiches. So these are supposed to be small. These are English tea sandwiches. They're used to eat in the afternoon so that it's just enough to tide you over till dinner. And these are just so cute. Great with a cup of Earl Grey. And now we're gonna go ahead and put together baby croissant chicken salad sandwiches. So we're gonna put together our chicken salad. We're gonna use smoked almonds, rotisserie chicken. Again, this comes together super fast. And we're gonna put them in these little baby croissants. So let's get these put together. Our ingredients for this incredible chicken salad. I already have rotisserie chicken that I've chopped up. We're gonna add some fresh green onions. The smoked almonds are the best ingredient added to this. I have a little bit of canola mayonnaise again. This is fat-free yogurt. Just plain yogurt, a little Dijon mustard, some salt and pepper to taste. Mix this up, and this is seriously the best chicken salad I have ever had. You gotta give this a try. I just made Pillsbury croissants and got those out of the refrigerated area and baked them. You can make them fresh or you can buy already made. These turn out great for these tiny sandwiches. Split them in half. I like to load these up so they are chock full of that delicious chicken salad. And these look so cute on a plate. These are great for weddings, wedding showers, graduation parties, and they turn out just so cute as well. Chicken salad. Last but not least, we're gonna put together our egg salad sandwich. Now for the egg salad sandwich, I chose a whole wheat bread. And the reason why is egg salad is just, it doesn't have the cucumbers in it. It doesn't have anything firm inside. It has that nice, delicious, soft egg salad. So I want a firmer bread to hold together that egg salad. On to our third and final sandwich, super easy. I have hard-boiled eggs that we just need to chop. You can chop these up by hand or you can use one of these little nifty choppers. We want it not just sliced but diced, so I'm gonna do it both ways. Oops, have it the wrong way here. And we're gonna go ahead and put these in a bowl. So I'm gonna quickly get these all diced up. And we're gonna add our simple ingredients again. And you can see how easy these are. I have fresh chives. These fresh herbs are so key in these little sandwiches. They pack so much flavor. Yellow mustard, a little bit of mayonnaise again, salt and pepper to taste. Mix this all together. And egg salad is so good just because it's so tasty and it's packed with protein. It's a great little sandwich. So I have Sara Lee whole wheat bread on these. So again, I believe this is the honey whole wheat. Get the crust cut off once again. Spread it. I like to load it up again like I have with my other sandwiches. They're so small, I really want to pack a lot of that flavor in. And traditional tea sandwich style, we're going to cut this into, a little more in here. That looks right. Okay, we're going to cut these into the little triangles again. Petit four is another word for it. But we're just going to cut these in little triangles, stack them up, and another great protein packed, delicious sandwich. Ooh, those look fabulous. Okay, all of our sandwiches are made. Now you know me and you know that I like to try and make things just a little bit healthier along the way. So we still can enjoy these awesome, delicious things and still not feel guilty in the long run. So let's go ahead and try each one of these. So with our egg salad, again, I used that whole wheat, high fiber bread. So let's give this one a taste. I love egg salad. Okay, now you know with our cucumber sandwich, so I used a third less fat cream cheese. So again, I'm cutting a little corner there. We used high fiber white bread. It's made with whole wheat flour and it has a little white flour in there as well to keep it nice and soft and white-like. So, and our cucumbers, let's give this a taste. Got fresh dill and crispy cucumber. That's a really good sandwich too. Last but not least, this is my all-time favorite chicken salad. So even if you don't want to do it in a mini sandwich and you want to go ahead and throw this on a regular sandwich for a lunch or a dinner or a picnic or anything, this is the chicken salad you want to do. So let's give this a taste. The smoked almonds in this just really make it, and that fresh rosemary. So this is really good. Let's give it a taste. See, it's so good. This is a no-fail chicken salad. Let's get our cocktail made because this is a cocktail you're going to enjoy all summer long. This is going to be your go-to summer cocktail, the Pear Lavender Vodka Lemonade. The first thing we need to make with this cocktail is the simple syrup. This is the lavender infused simple syrup. So like traditional simple syrup, it's 1 part sugar, 1 part water, and I've added some lavender as well. We're going to bring this to a simmer and let it simmer 10 minutes. We need to strain out that lavender, so I'm going to quickly strain this into just any reserve cup, and we want to cool it to room temperature. It turns out to be the most beautiful lavender color. Your cocktail will not be lavender, just so you know. It is a lemonade mostly. We're going to add some pear juice here. All of the ingredients are listed below. You can strain your own pear juice if you like, or I just bought fresh organic pear juice. We're going to add some lemon juice to this as well. Again, fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're going to add 1 cup of water for this cocktail. About 3/4 of an ounce of that simple syrup. You can go more or less. I actually could have had this a little less sweet, but I do like them not super sweet. We're going to add 2 ounces of vodka. Put on our lid, give it a little shake-a. Try not to make a mess. Of course, our wonderful pebble ice in a nice tall glass. Try not to make a mess like I did. And this is a beautiful, delicious, flavorful cocktail. We're gonna garnish with a little pear and a little lemon. Oh, I think we did it again. So we have our yummy little sandwiches, 3 different kinds. And then this cocktail, I'm telling you, is gonna be your new summer favorite. Let's give it a taste. This is so refreshing. Totally lemonade. I cut back a lot of the sugar, so I like mine just a little bit tangy versus super sweet. So you can see where I didn't do any other added sugars. I have the lavender simple syrup, which you kind of have to do in order to pull that lavender flavor in. It's a great way to infuse it. So I want to thank you again so much for being here. I love you guys. Have a wonderful week. I will see you next week where I'm going to make the ooeyest gooeyest mac and cheese with bacon. There's going to be some other surprises in there, and you might see a surprise energy bar video as well. So I love you guys. Have a great week. Thank you for being here.